Here we talk about general ledger formats, and first format is two-column format. Here we have an example, and two separate columns are used for debit and credit entries. And those columns are divided into subcolumns in order to indicate date, entry, and reference of the transaction. And on one side, we record all the debit entries. We indicate date and reference to the transaction. And on the other side, we record all the credit entries. And the balance of the account is calculated only at the end of the accounting period, so it's May 31st. And we add up total debits and deduct total credits if it is asset category account, and we get the final balance at the end of the accounting period. So we have two columns for debit and credit, and we calculate balance at the end of the accounting period. The other format of the general ledger is a four-column format. And the example is here. You can see that we do not have separate parts for debit and credit, but we have two columns to record debit and credit and to calculate the final balance. So at the beginning of the period, we have the opening balance, then we record all the transactions, post them from general journal. And you can see that at the end of each transaction is posted to the account, we calculate the balance of that account, which is very convenient. Again, May 5th, we record the posting from general journal. And for credit, we also record on the credit column, then calculate the balance at the end of the accounting period, and also at the and when the transaction was posted. And we have a balance at the end of the accounting period. So this format, it has also separate columns for debit and credit entries. And the difference is that we calculate the balance at the end of each transaction or each posting, which is very convenient, and we are able to know what is the balance of that account at the end of the posting each transaction. And the accounting softwares, they usually also calculate balances of general ledger accounts after each transaction was posted. And it is a better display of debit and credit entries. So everything is done in one place. There are no two different parts. And we can see all the history of the account during the accounting period. If you want more information on accounting, you can visit our site and sign up for a newsletter, and you get free basic of accounting tutorial